Was it the kayak you guys were in when you ran into that boat, really? What?
You ready?
You enjoyed it? Come on. Well, you keep it in the water more. You shouldn't even be bringing it out.
Go! The race is on! And he's stroking. He's got a clean stroke. He's getting an early lead here. He's about a boat length ahead. They've got a couple of lengths to go. And she's off course. She's off course by a little bit. She's not using her hands equally. And he's pulling away for the win. It's a gold medal. And followed by the silver medalist. Before I... Is it mandatory?
Sit down right there. Just sit and give him the life jacket.
Boo! They're graceful.
Here.
Oh my God, was it? Big race?
What?
Is this going to be a real race or a fake race? All right, go! I gotta turn off my